Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make, can you guess, saltfish rundown. And here I have all my ingredients right in front of me that I'm gonna use, so just follow me along here while I show you quick and easy how to make one of the most delicious protein dish that can goes with just about anything. When you finish making this rundown, it can goes with Jamaican bami, it can go with breadfruit, festival, fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, bananas, any ground provision, rice, quinoa, you name it. This protein dish can go with anything at all. So here I have carrots, tomatoes, garlic, onions, assorted sweet pepper. I have thyme. I have a piece of hot pepper over here, and I'm using just a small piece of hot pepper because when I finish cooking this, my child will be eating it, so I can't use too much hot pepper to make it too hot. So what you can do is use as much hot pepper as you want to make your dish really spicy and taste good. I also have coconut milk. I have saltfish here, which I already went ahead and boil. I advise that you do this before you start cooking your rundown. And I have a little sugar. I have some oxtail seasoning. It's one of my favorite seasoning to use, but you can use whichever all-purpose seasoning, or you can even use oxtail seasoning if you wish. I have salt, and I also have some milk. Another ingredient which I didn't show you, which of course you're gonna need, is some oil. So I preheat my pot and I'm adding a little oil to it because of course you need oil to saute your vegetables. I'm gonna throw all my assorted veggies in there, including the carrot, because the carrot is tough, so you want to get your carrot in early. So we're gonna let these veggies saute to get as much flavor extracted as possible from all this seasoning here. Alright, so while our seasoning has sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and throw my coconut milk and my buttermilk in. And then we're going to make this liquid have some flavor. So to this we're gonna add a little bit of salt. You don't want to add too much because the saltfish already have salt. We're gonna add like a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning in it. And we're going to make this simmer. We're going to, okay, your liquid has reached a really nice consistency, thick, getting thick and nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and add all my saltfish in. And you need to mix that up because you don't want anything to be sticking. And we are going to turn this down. So we're just going to let this simmer a little bit, extract some of the salt from the saltfish while it's doing so, to add that extra flavor to our dish. Okay you guys, so there you have it, all done. You really don't want it any wetter than this. Some people might even want more liquid in there, but I like mine just this way. All the flavors are extracted and it tastes really good. And you can even throw some crackers in there to steam with this. So there you have it guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.